Hey guys, hope you're doing well. हम हैं मेघना और राहुल.
Uh, Hi, Meghna.
Hey guys, hope you're doing well. हम हैं मेघना और राहुल and welcome to Milestones. आज का टेम्परेचर है -4 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड आज का ट्रिप काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. सी द थिंग इज मेघना लव्स ट्रेन जर्नीज. इसका बस चले तो हमारे सारे ट्रिप्स ट्रेन पे हों. Back in 2012, when we were living in Edinburgh for a short while, she made me take a train journey down south to Blackpool and Manchester. जबकि वहाँ फ्लाइट से जाने में 1 घंटे से भी कम लगता.
But it was so pretty.
It was very pretty. The journey was very nice, but very inconvenient and really long, and completely unnecessary. Did I say that? So आज का ट्रिप है हमारा Moynihan Train Station का, which in Midtown is a new expansion of New York's famous and heavily congested Penn Station. This was open to the public on the 1st of Jan 2021, so this year, and it addresses a major complaint New Yorkers have been having with the Penn Station, in that while it is very functional and very useful, it is completely underground, it's very dimly lit, and it's just completely devoid of any natural light.
That's right. हमने सुना है कि इसका डिज़ाइन बहुत ही ओपन और इनवाइटिंग है बिकॉज ऑफ अ ह्यूज सेंट्रल स्काईलाइट इन द मेन एट्रियम, जिसको देखने के लिए मैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. एंड एज यू माइट नो, न्यूयॉर्क की सबसे फेमस ट्रेन स्टेशन ग्रैंड सेंट्रल और पेन स्टेशन दोनों ही मैनहट्टन में हैं, एंड बोथ ऑफ देम कनेक्ट द मैनहट्टन आइलैंड टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री. Moynihan Train Station is the latest addition to New York's impressive collection, and both of us are so excited to be seeing it for the first time today.
Well, heard more than me, but like I said, train journeys, right?
तो चलें फिर?
Yeah, okay, cool. चल तैयार हो जल्दी से.
Okay, let's go. Oh, look at all those pigeons.
I know, right? I think someone just fed them. Oh God, that's intense. Oh. 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 Oh, this looks fantastic. Like, it's so clean. I think they've got a montage of the construction.
Yeah, showing how it was made. So quick history bite before the big reveal. This building is the US General Post Office और इसके पुराने मेल सॉर्टिंग रूम को Moynihan Train Hall में रिपर्पस किया गया है. In fact, इस बिल्डिंग का मेजर पोर्शन अभी भी पोस्ट ऑफिस सर्विसेज के लिए यूज किया जाता है.
So this is the magnificence जिसको देखने के लिए मेघना 2-3 दिन से काफ़ी हाइपर एक्साइटेड है. As you guys can see, the main attraction of this building is this very central atrium with a 92 feet tall glass skylight. There's also a four-faced clock right at the center of the concourse. And did you know इस portion की total renovation cost $1.6 billion थी?
Moynihan Train Hall is named after Daniel Patrick Moynihan, who was a US Senator from New York. The reason this is dedicated to him is because he championed for this project for a long time. Also, fun fact, ये train hall पूरी की पूरी तरह पुराने Penn Station पे model है. That also had a huge glass roof, and it's sort of like a tribute to the old station. So this train hall has a retail space, waiting area, public restrooms and 3 works of art. But उस सबसे पहले it's coffee time at Starbucks. क्या पिएगा तू?
I don't know, cappuccino maybe. What about you?
I think मैं भी cappuccino लूँगी.
So weird one. Coffee लेके हमें realize हुआ that there's no seating in the atrium. There's a ticketed waiting room right over there, but it's obviously reserved for Amtrak customers. And since हमें आज कहीं travel नहीं करना, we didn't really have an area to sit. Maybe they'll add something like in the future. So what we did was that हम अपनी coffee लेके आ गए यहाँ ऊपर balcony area में, and look at the view. Not too shabby, right? Moynihan Train Station is only offering services to Amtrak and Long Island Railroad customers at this point, which is fantastic because पिछले 2-3 साल में I had to use the Long Island Railroad service quite a lot. See, I get my tattoos from an artist who lives in Huntington, New York, which is about an hour away from here. And in the past, I always had to use the Penn Station, which, like I said earlier, is dimly lit and is completely underground, right? But catching trains for my future appointments from the Moynihan Train Hall is just going to be a wonderful experience.
And of course, train station देखने आए हैं तो ट्रेन तो देखनी ही थी. Imagine coming to New York City for the very first time and being greeted by this view. So spectacular, right? Hey guys, so we just came out and as you can see it started to snow. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at all these tiny flakes, and it's chilly but it's so beautiful. This is the bright and shiny new escalator entrance for the old Penn Station. और सीलिंग पे आप देख सकते हैं there's a map of New York City, Long Island and Hudson Valley. Alright guys, that's it for today. We hope you guys like this video and we're going to leave you with this beautiful view of snow starting in New York City.
Yeah, if you enjoyed our video, please like it and share it with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel to show us your love and support. Alright, have a good night. Bye.
Bye.